Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good day today. We're going to be talking about triangles again on our math paper today. So I want you to get out lesson 9.6. We're going to be talking about describing triangles, how you would tell somebody, how would you describe a triangle to them? We're going to talk about the sides they have and their vertices. So I'll give you a minute to get this paper out and get your name on the top. And then let's look. We have two little worms again on this red triangle. Look at this orange worm down here. He is resting on one of the triangle's sides. Let's take our finger and let's trace along those sides and count them. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. I want you to pick up your pencil and trace along the sides of that triangle. Alright, now that you've gotten that done, let's look at this other little worm, this kind of tannish, brownish worm. He's resting over that point on the triangle where two sides meet. Does anybody remember what that's called? Let's see if you know it.
Vertex.
It's called the vertex, where two lines meet, two sides meet, and it makes a point. We call that the vertex. And if there's more than one, we call them vertices. So let's touch and count the vertices, each vertex on this triangle. I see 1, 2, 3. I want you to take your pencil and I want you to circle each vertex you see on this triangle. 1, 2, 3. Let's draw a circle around each vertex, each point. All right, we're going to open up to the next page that looks like this. What is this shape called right up here, this big green shape with 3 sides? It is a
triangle.
Triangle. So we're going to answer some questions about that triangle. We're going to kind of help describe it. First thing, it wants to know how many vertices the triangle has. So let's take our pencil and let's circle each vertex on that triangle. I see 1, 2, 3. So we're going to come down here by the red apple and we're going to draw a 3. We're going to curve to the middle, curve to the bottom. There are 3 vertices on a triangle. Down here by the yellow sun, it wants to know how many sides this green triangle has. Let's count them together. I see 1, 2, 3 sides. So we're going to write another 3. We're going to curve to the middle, curve to the bottom. This triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. All triangles, some of them may look a little different, be shaped a little differently, but all triangles have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Alright, we're going to come to the back and I want you to use this dot paper to kind of help you draw some different triangles. You maybe can draw a small one, you can draw a bigger one, a long one, a skinny one. So I want to see what different kinds of triangles you can draw and color on this page. You can come back and do that in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the directions for the last page, okay? This last page, we have a little check. We're going to do a little check. We're about halfway through our chapter 9. So we're going to see how we're doing. Let's look at this red apple. What shape is this right here? It is a square. I want you to count and write to tell me how many sides this square has and how many vertices it has. I'll give you just a minute to do that. Right here you're going to write how many sides, then you're going to come down and write how many vertices, how many points it has. Alright, we're going to do the same thing by the yellow sun for this triangle. I want you to count and write how many sides it has, and then count and write how many vertices it has. Alright, then you're going to put your finger on the green leaf. In this little box, just this little area right here, I want you to put an X on all the circles you see. By the green leaf, put an X on all the circles. Then we're going to look by the blue flower. In this little area, I want you to put an X on all the triangles you see. Put an X on every triangle you see. And then down here by the purple butterfly, number 5, I want you to color in the bubble, the circle, under the shape that is a triangle. Which of the shapes in this row is a triangle? You're going to color the little circle in underneath it with your pencil. All right, that's all we have for today. We'll talk about a new shape tomorrow. I'll talk to you later.